Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am officially back. I was out for a little bit because I got my wisdom teeth out, and then right after that I got sick. Well, really I think it was allergies, but anyway. Today I did this it's kind of like a brown. I used brown and I used this greenish turquoise looking color out of the James Charles palette. And I used a couple of other palettes too to get this look. And if you want to see how I got it, stay tuned. And I started off doing my normal makeup routine, doing my eyebrows first, and then foundation, and then eyeshadow. But I did want to say that I used multiple different colors from different palettes. I didn't just use one palette. So I'm not going to say the exact colors I used. I'm just going to show you like the shade of color that I used. And then after I concealed my eyes, I went ahead and set it with the Milani pressed powder. And then after that, I went ahead and contoured my face, and then I also applied my blush and highlighter. And then with my eyes, I'm starting off using this yellow shade right underneath my eyebrows. And then I'm going to take this more neutral shade and I'm going to apply that right underneath. And then I also mix these two neutral shades and I apply that in my crease. And then to darken up my crease a little bit more, I used a darker brown and I applied that also in my crease as well. And then I went in with this turquoise shade. You can really use any type of bluish turquoise shade for this look, but this is the one that I use. And then after that, I applied my eyeliner, my eyelashes, and my lipstick, and that was all for this look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys.
See